Hello everyone. Today you will be working on CKLA Skills Unit 1, Lesson 28. In today's lesson, you will read and understand decodable text. You will also identify taught tricky words. Let's begin by blending. I will say sounds for you to blend into words. Mark each sound with a thumb finger tap. Blend the sounds together to make a word, making a fist with your hand. Let's begin. E, tree. O, hope. Tell. G, ring. Good job with those so far. Now, let's add another sound. So now we will do words with 4 sounds. Repeat after me. B, d, z, birds. Sh, flash. K, pluck. Drop. Very good. Now, let's segment those same words. Hold up an equal number of fingers to the sounds in the word. Repeat the word after me. Wiggle or move your index finger for the first sound in the word. Wiggle your middle finger for the second sound in the word. Keep going until all sounds have a wiggling finger to match. Then repeat the word after me. Repeat after me. Tree. E. Hope. O. Tell. Ring. Ing. Very good. Now let's add a new sound. Birds. B, d, z. Flash. F, sh. Pluck. P, k. Drop. D, p. Excellent job. Now, let's look at the table of contents and find the title, Which is Best? Do you see it? There it is. What is the question word in this title? The question word in this title is which. On which page does the story begin? The story, Which is Best, begins on page 40. In today's story, we will hear about some of the places where Beth went sightseeing. Sightseeing is when a person is visiting a new place and they go to popular sites or places. For example, in New York City, people may go to see the Statue of Liberty or the Empire State Building while they are sightseeing. Beth and Nat and their mom see the sights in London, which is a busy city, And they also see Stonehenge, which is a famous site of tall stones stacked on top of each other. Before we begin reading, let's preview the spellings. You will see the spelling FF. Remember, FF says F, like in the word stuff and puff. You will also see the spelling CK. Remember, CK stands for K, like in the spellings stick and rock. Let's review the words all. You will see this word in your story. Say all. You will also see the trick word of. Say of. Remember these words because they will appear in our story today. For your story, which is best? What do you think this title means? Today, you will read the story carefully on your own to find out the best answer to Beth's question. You should be able to read all words in this story as we have reviewed them. If you need more time to read or go back in this video, please pause or rewind so you can do that. Begin reading the story. Which is best? Now let's wrap this up. Answer these questions in complete sentences about the story you just read. How did they get to their spot for the snapshot? What does it mean to huff and puff? Why do Beth's mom and Nat's mom end up huffing and puffing? Who took the first snapshot? Why is Nat like a rock in the second snapshot? And last, which snapshot do you like the best, and tell why? Now, open your skills workbook so that you can answer the story questions about the story Which is Best. Open your workbook to page 28.1. That's 28.1 in the top right-hand corner. If you need more time to find the page number or complete your work, please pause the video and press play when you're ready. 28.1 is found on page 151. That's 151 in the bottom right-hand corner. We will also be working on page 152. That's 152 in the bottom left-hand corner. Don't forget to put your name in the top of the paper, nice and neat. Our story today is Which is Best? Let's review each of the questions. Number 1. Who had to huff and puff to get to the top? Remember to write your answer in complete sentences. Sentences start with a capital and end with a period. Number 2. Where are Nat and Beth in the snapshot 1? Remember to answer your question in complete sentences. Sentences start with a capital and end with a period. Number 3. Why did Mom and Dot lift Nat up? Remember to answer your question in complete sentences. Sentences start with a capital and end with a period. Number 4. We will do a noun review. Read all of the words with me. Steps, Jack, rocks, dot, dress. For number 4, you will circle a noun that names a thing. Be sure to circle all of the nouns that name things in number 4. For number 5, let's read the words. Kid, moms, glass, Beth, pill. For number 5, you will circle a noun that names a person. Remember to circle all of the nouns that name a person for number 5. Number 6, repeat after me. Huff, sock, said, gnat, bed. For number 6, you will circle all of the nouns. That's any noun that is a person, place, or a thing. That's only for number 6. Please do your best work on numbers 4, 5, and 6. Now you will do a tricky word review. I will show a tricky word on the screen. As I do, read the word on the card. The word will change after 5 seconds, so if you need more time, pause the video. Let's begin. I hope you did an excellent job reading all of those trick words. Now, for the practice material, on page 28.2, you can practice reading some new nonsense words on this page. You can do this with a family member. You do not need to submit a photo of this worksheet. What you will submit today is your story review for which is best, which is worksheet 28.1, the front, and the story review on the back of page 28.1. Please submit a clear photo of these worksheets in the assignments link on Canvas. I hope you have an awesome day. Goodbye.